Dear learners, today, the focus of my presentation is concept and principles of curriculum. Watch the entire video. The video is followed by MCQs. Let us first try to understand concept of curriculum. The concept of curriculum in education refers to the planned and organized framework of knowledge and experiences that students are exposed to during their academic journey. It encompasses a wide range of elements, including the subjects taught, instructional methods employed, assessment strategies, and the overall learning environment. Understanding the concept of curriculum is crucial for educators, administrators, and policymakers as it forms the foundation of the educational process. Key components of the concept of curriculum: 1. Subjects and content. Example: in a science curriculum, the subjects might include biology, chemistry, and physics. The content would cover specific scientific principles, experiments, and applications. 2. Learning objectives. Example: in a mathematics curriculum, learning objectives could include mastering algebraic concepts, understanding geometric principles, and developing problem-solving skills. 3. Teaching methods. Example: an innovative curriculum might employ project-based learning, where students collaborate on real-world projects to apply theoretical knowledge. 4. Assessment and evaluation. Example: an English language arts curriculum may incorporate various assessment methods such as essays, presentations, and standardized tests to measure students' language proficiency and literary analysis skills. 5. Educational goals. Example: the goals of a social studies curriculum may include fostering critical thinking, cultural understanding, and civic responsibility among students. 6. Learning resources. Example: a history curriculum might utilize textbooks, primary source documents, documentaries, and guest speakers to provide a rich and varied learning experience. 7. Adaptability. Example: a modern curriculum should be adaptable to changes in technology, societal needs, and educational research to remain relevant and effective. 8. Inclusivity. Example: an inclusive curriculum considers the diverse needs of students, incorporating resources and teaching methods that cater to different learning styles and abilities. Let me now discuss the various principles of curriculum. The principles of curriculum in education form the foundational guidelines that educators and curriculum developers follow to design, implement, and assess effective learning experiences. These principles ensure that educational content aligns with the goals of fostering holistic development, critical thinking, and preparing students for the challenges of the future. Here are key principles of curriculum. Relevance. Example: in a computer science curriculum, relevance is achieved by incorporating current programming languages and industry practices, making the content directly applicable to real-world scenarios. Sequential and progressive. Example: mathematics curriculum progresses from foundational arithmetic skills in early grades to more advanced algebra and calculus concepts in higher grades, ensuring a logical and progressive learning path. Flexibility. Example: a language arts curriculum might be flexible enough to allow teachers to choose literature that aligns with the cultural backgrounds and interests of their students, making learning more relatable. Interdisciplinary. Example: an environmental science curriculum could integrate elements of biology, chemistry, and geography, providing a comprehensive understanding of environmental issues. Assessment. Example: assessment methods within a curriculum might include a mix of traditional tests, project-based assessments, and presentations to cater to different learning styles. Cultural sensitivity. Example: a history curriculum should incorporate diverse perspectives and histories, acknowledging the cultural diversity of students and fostering inclusivity. Inclusivity. Example: in an inclusive education curriculum, accommodations and modifications are made to ensure that students with diverse learning needs can access and benefit from the content. Lifelong learning. Example: a curriculum emphasizing critical thinking, problem solving, and communication skills prepares students for continuous learning beyond their formal education. Let us now solve some important MCQ type questions. Question 1. What does the concept of curriculum in education encompass? A. Only teaching methods. B. Only subjects and courses. C. Planned and organized learning experiences. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Planned and organized learning experiences. Question 2. Which principle emphasizes the adaptability of a curriculum to changes in technology and societal needs? A. Relevance. B. Flexibility. C. Sequential and progressive. D. Inclusivity. Correct answer is B. Flexibility. Question 3. In a language arts curriculum, what might flexibility involve? A. Allowing students to skip certain subjects. B. Adapting content based on emerging technologies. C. Using only traditional teaching methods. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Adapting content based on emerging technologies. Question 4. What does the interdisciplinary principle in curriculum development involve? A. Focusing solely on one subject. B. Integrating elements from different subjects. C. Avoiding project-based learning. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Integrating elements from different subjects. Question 5. Which principle ensures that students with diverse learning needs can access and benefit from the curriculum? A. Inclusivity. B. Sequential and progressive. C. Flexibility. D. Assessment. Correct answer is A. Inclusivity. Question 6. What is the overarching goal of a curriculum emphasizing critical thinking, problem solving, and communication skills? A. Memorization of facts. B. Lifelong learning. C. Avoiding real-world applications. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Lifelong learning. Question 7. Which principle focuses on fostering a mindset of adaptability and continuous learning in students? A. Lifelong learning. B. Assessment. C. Cultural sensitivity. D. Flexibility. Correct answer is A. Lifelong learning. Question 8. In a curriculum on digital literacy, what does the concept of relevance involve? A. Using outdated technologies. B. Integrating current technologies and examples relevant to students' lives. C. Ignoring technological advancements. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Integrating current technologies and examples relevant to students' lives. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shokin Bilal.